Hi there, my name is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Thank you very much for subscribing at my YouTube blog. Tuwing ako ay nagbo-broadcast at nagbibigay ng mga ideas, sentiments ko, I'm really excited because I know there are a lot of people na natutulungan through this session. And then for now, I would like to ask, bakit kaya may mga taong ang hilig magmura? May kakilala ba kayo taong pag nagmumura ang lulutong? Tapos sinasabi lang nila grabe talaga kung yung mas marinig mo ba sila, medyo masakit sila magsalita. Not only that, ang parating defense nila, it's my expression, 'di ba? Well, we cannot really judge people when it comes to that, no? Parang sinasabi nga natin hindi mo pwedeng husgahan ng isang tao, pero I cannot judge a person but I can become a fruit inspector. When I say fruit inspector, kung ano tinanim mo, yun yung lalabas. And the reason why I do believe, number one, kung bakit may mga tao talagang nagiging habit ng pagmumura because of negative emotions. Admit it or not, 'di ba? Kung ano yung tinanim mo, yan ang aanihin mo. Kung ikaw ay nagtanim sa pagmamahal, ang lalabas ay pagmamahal. Kung ikaw ay nagtatanim ka naman ng galit at puot sa iyong puso, ang lalabas naman ay talagang galit at puot din. At isang manifestation or yung ika nga ay lumalabas kung bakit nagmumura isang tao because punong-puno siya ng galit at negativity sa katawan. So yun ang nagiging outlet niya. Hindi niya pwedeng itago yung negativity yan because it feels so uncomfortable and easy at the same time. Yung parang masama ang balog, kaya kailangan ilabas niya. That's number one reason. And probably second reason is because of environment. 'Di ba? Nakakahawa naman yung pagmumura. Dati hindi ka marunong magmura. Then tumabi ka sa mga taong mahilig magmura. And then all of a sudden nagmumura ka na rin, 'di ba? Because you take the habit. And third reason probably is because once again you join a group, may tinatawag na peer pressure. You need to be accepted. So you have to speak their language. You have to laugh at their jokes. You have to jive in, no? Yun yung mga reason. Nakikita ko talagang primary reason. So, para sa mga taong naman, probably you admit that you have a habit of cursing, no? Nagmumura ka. If you want to get out of this situation, number one, let me suggest, okay? Believe that you can change. Kailangan talaga maniwala ka na pwede pang magbago yung habit mo. Kasi kung hindi ka naniniwala na pwede magbago, mag-i-stuck ka, no, sa sitwasyon mo. If you believe that you cannot change, you will never change. But if you believe that you can change, you can change. Okay? So that's the first step. Number two, admit also that there is something wrong. Kung ito, tinanggap mo na talagang norm to, tinanggap mo na talagang natural to, tinanggap mo na ito yung bilang pagkatao mo, walang pagkakamali. Diba? Pero pag sinabi mo, medyo may mali ito, hindi dapat itong ginagawa, hindi dapat itong maging lifestyle ko. So, there will be, again, a realization that you have to put a stop to something. Especially if you're doing something that is wrong. And then number 3, ang tip ko naman sa iyo, syempre, may sama ka pa rin na loob. Diba? Kailangan mo ilabas. Yes, but express yourself in a different way, in a positive way. Instead of, 'di ba? Ako, no offense man, ganun din naman ako. Lalo na, 'di ba? Sa traffic pag kinakat ka ng mga bus, ng mga jeep, 'di ba, ng mga taxi, kasi pag nabangga, wala naman silang pakialam, 'di ba? Minsan magagalit ka, mapapamura ka eh. Alam mo, sinasabi ko. So, praise the Lord. Sinisigawan ko na lang pero iba na lang 'yung sinasabi ko. 'Di ba? Mahal ka ni Lord, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Lord, di ba mahal mo siya? Kunin mo na. Joke lang po yan. So, again, it's, diba, in-express mo, diba? Express in a different way, in a positive way. No, i-channel mo yung energy mo na negative and turn it to a what? Positive, diba? Parang sinasabi sa sarili, nako, magpasalamat kayo, nagbabago na ako. Hindi, diba? So, again, I hope this short video is able to enlighten you to understand why some people love to curse. Let me ask you, ikaw, mahilig ka rin ba magmura? And if mahilig ka magmura, bakit kaya? Is it because na may galit at puot ka ba sa puso mo? Or is it because you're being pressured by other people to also do the things probably that you are not comfortable with? Ang question ko na lang sa iyo is, maganda ba na idudulot sa buhay mo? Ano pa yung magandang pamamaraan siguro ang pwede mong gawin para may avoid to? Diba? Tatandaan nyo, I'll leave you with this quote. Kung ano lumalabas sa iyong nguso, ito ay nanggagaling sa iyong puso. Whatever comes out from your mouth, it comes from your heart. I hope that you've learned something, and then if you like this video, please comment, make a comment, and then after that, you share this also to others who can benefit, lalo na yung mga friends mo na alam mo na kailangan magbago when it comes to their lifestyle in terms of their speaking habit or talking habit. This Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Chink positive.